What is the best way of making money? The answer is probably selling products, but it might be the most competitive task. Now picture this. You're sitting at your laptop, watching orders pour into your online store while you sleep. The products ship directly from suppliers to your customers, and you never touch a single item. This isn't a fantasy. It's exactly how thousands of entrepreneurs are building profitable businesses with Doba. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to join them. Doba isn't just another dropshipping platform. We're talking about AI-powered dropshipping, and specifically how a platform that's been quietly dominating this space since 2002 is now leveraging artificial intelligence to make building a profitable online business easier than ever before. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's understand what makes Doba different. While most dropshipping platforms leave you scrambling to find reliable suppliers, Doba has already done the heavy lifting. They've spent 20 years building relationships with over 1,000 verified suppliers, giving you access to more than 700,000 products across every category imaginable. But here's the game changer. Most of these suppliers are based right here in the United States. That means your customers get their orders in 2 to 5 business days instead of waiting weeks for international shipping. Fast shipping equals happy customers, and happy customers equal repeat business and positive reviews. Okay, let's get your Doba account up and running. Navigate to doba.com and you'll immediately see their 14-day free trial offer. Click Start Free Trial. This gives you full access to explore their platform without any upfront investment. Doba integrates with all major e-commerce platforms, so whether you're planning to use Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or WooCommerce, you're covered. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You will find all kinds of products that are ready to be shipped. You just have to select and sell the products to make some real money. To get started, click on My Doba from here. This is the Doba dashboard. Here on the left side, you will find all the tools like My Products Management, Order Management, Stores, Wallet, and the Pricing Plan. This clean interface is designed to streamline your entire dropshipping operation from one central location. Now let's connect your online store to Doba. If you don't have a store yet, don't worry. Doba's AI Store Builder can create one for you in minutes. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're using Shopify, but the process is similar for other platforms. Click on Connect a New Store in your dashboard, then select the store you want to connect. Here you will find all the popular platforms. Choose Shopify from the list and follow the authentication process. You just have to click on the Install button from here. If you are not logged into your Shopify account, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel and approve the connection. This integration allows Doba to automatically sync products, manage inventory, and process orders. I am connecting with a newly built test Shopify store, which is blank. Once complete, you'll see your store listed in the dashboard. Now you can set some essential settings like inventory rules, order rules, pricing rules, shipping rules, and others. This is not so important. You can change it anytime. Okay, now let's talk about product research and selection. Here's where Doba's AI-powered tools really shine. Go to the AI Tools Hub and then click on AI Product Finder to access their intelligent product discovery system. This tool analyzes market trends, competition levels, and profit potential to recommend winning products. Start by selecting your niche. Let's say you're interested in home and garden products. The AI will present you with trending items, showing key metrics like average selling price and profit margins. These are your golden opportunities. Pay attention to the supplier location indicator. Products shipped from US warehouses will prioritize these for faster shipping times. Click on any product to see detailed information, including high-quality images, product descriptions, and supplier ratings. Once you've identified profitable products, adding them to your store is incredibly simple. Click the Add to Store button next to any product. Doba's AI Auto Lister will automatically optimize the product title, description, and pricing for your chosen platform. The system suggests retail prices based on market analysis, but you maintain full control. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 20 to 30% profit margins after accounting for platform fees and marketing costs. Remember, you're not just selling products, you're providing value through curation, customer service, and fast shipping. You can add products individually or in bulk. For new stores, start with 20 to 30 carefully selected products rather than overwhelming customers with thousands of options. Quality curation builds trust and makes marketing more focused. One of dropshipping's biggest challenges is inventory management, but Doba handles this automatically. Their system updates stock levels in real time, preventing overselling situations that damage customer relationships. In your dashboard, you'll see the inventory management section, where you can monitor stock levels across all your products. Products running low will be flagged, giving you time to find alternatives or remove them from your store temporarily. Pricing updates are equally automated. If a supplier changes their wholesale price, Doba can automatically adjust your retail prices to maintain your desired profit margins. This feature alone saves hours of manual work each week. When customers place orders on your store, the magic happens behind the scenes. Doba automatically receives the order details, processes payment to the supplier, and initiates shipping, all without your intervention. You'll receive email notifications for each order, including tracking information that you can share with customers. The entire process from order placement to shipping typically takes 24 to 48 hours for US-based suppliers. In your Doba dashboard, the order management section shows all orders with their current status. You can track everything from order received through shipped to delivered. This transparency helps you provide excellent customer service and quickly resolve any issues. Doba's AI Hub contains 4 powerful tools that can dramatically accelerate your success. The AI Store Builder creates professional-looking stores in minutes, complete with optimized layouts and conversion-focused design elements. The AI Listing Optimizer continuously improves your product listings based on performance data. It tests different titles, descriptions, and keywords to maximize visibility and conversions. This ongoing optimization happens automatically, improving your results over time. Use the AI Product Guru for market insights and trend analysis. This tool identifies emerging opportunities and warns about declining markets, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Excellent customer service sets successful dropshippers apart from the competition. As your store grows, Doba scales with you. Their higher-tier plans offer increased product limits, advanced analytics, and priority support. The Enterprise plan supports up to 2,500 products and includes dedicated account management. Monitor your analytics dashboard to identify your best-performing products and suppliers. Double down on what's working by expanding into related product categories or finding similar items from the same suppliers. Consider expanding to multiple sales channels. Doba's multi-platform integration lets you sell on Amazon, eBay, and your own website simultaneously, multiplying your reach without multiplying your workload. Doba transforms dropshipping from a complex, time-consuming venture into a streamlined, profitable business model. With their pre-vetted suppliers, automated systems, and AI-powered tools, you can focus on what matters most: marketing your products and serving your customers. Your dropshipping journey starts with a single click. Take advantage of Doba's free trial, implement these strategies, and start building the automated income stream you've been dreaming about. So click in the link from the description and start your money-making journeys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.